Okay. So this is, oh my goodness, I can't believe this is about to happen. This is 2 years in the making, what is in this box.
Ooh.
So here we go. You know what it is?
I think so.
You think you know what it is? What do you think it is?
Your new
My new book? What do you know about the book?
It's called Employment.
It's called Employment? Close.
And it's super heavy.
And it's super heavy. Thanks, Henry.
And it's good.
And it's good. Thank you, Lily. You haven't even read it yet.
Oh.
What else do you know about it?
What the publishing company said.
The publishing company said it was good. That's true. Oh my goodness, here it is. Look at that.
Oh, paper.
Oh, look at that. It's a quiet group. And we have flaps. We had special flaps put on it that look really cool. What do you think? Are you amazed, buddy? Yeah? I want you guys to come here. I'm going to slide this box forward for a minute and get this out of the way for a second because I want all three of you to see something, if you don't mind coming in here. Wow. Gosh, it looks so good, doesn't it?
Love the colors.
Love the team at page 2 who just did an absolutely bang up job. Here, slide over so Lily can get in the frame a little bit.
Fine.
I know. Can you come in a little bit more? Thank you, kiddo. All right. So, Henry, you're working on reading. You're coming a long way, but we're going to let the other two do this part. So at the very front of the book, there's what is called a dedication. Maj, you want to lean over here? You want to read this?
Once upon a time, there was an evil woman.
It's a different kind of book. All right, Lily, read that out loud.
This book is for Lily, Maz, and Henry. May you never settle for anything less than your ideal job, doing meaningful work for a great boss.
Yep,
I'm gonna be a great boss.
I think you will. Yeah.
No, I'm a big girl.
So listen, this is probably one of the hardest things I've ever done. It took a ton of work, a ton of faith, and there were a lot of times I wanted to quit, and I didn't. And I dedicated it to you guys because you're the most important thing to me.
Can I hold the book?
And you too, you should get in here. Yeah.
Wait, can I hold
get
the
any
book?
You can hold it. Be gentle with it. Be gentle. Can you take your finger out of it? There you go.
Well,
Now
she
you can
gets
hold it.
named in the
Yay! And that's the maybe not very sophisticated unboxing video, but we had to fit everybody into the frame. And so,
There's Daddy's
hey, look at that! There's Daddy's head on the back. Thanks for watching. Order Employalty wherever you like to buy books. Comes out May
You have to buy
9th.
this. You have to. It's for Joe Mama. It's for Joe Mama.
All right.
Listen to it.